Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The Vax.
O kaya ang efficacy rate in the underlying line na siyang klase mong may efficacy against disease, whatever form. May efficacy against severe disease. Sa Sinovac, ang iyang efficacy against any form of infection is not as high compared sa ibang brands. Pero among all the brands, in terms of efficacy against severe disease, tanan sila nagahatag sa protection sa aton. Actually, amo na ang isa sa mga pinaka binatanaw nga qualifications, protection against severe disease. Amo na nga nakapasar ini mga brands ngani sa approval kay may protection sila against severe disease.